On this episode of Doing the Most, we're unboxing something. YouTube sent you a mysterious package.
Yeah, I had to put a bunch of labels over it. It had all our identifying information on it. So we've been on YouTube since 2018.
Really?
Yeah, it's been that long. Check it out. Recently, they sent us a little gift, a little something. So it just arrived like earlier today, but I waited until Anna got home because Anna's been along on this ride. Big thanks to all of our members and patrons, the folks who have supported the channel over
you
the
make
years.
this possible.
Crazy. It's like we're at like 108,000 subscribers. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's a piece of black foam.
Oh,
There's
a
a
paper.
letter.
This was packed by Rick,
Oh, thanks, Rick. This is a letter from Neil Mohan.
who's the YouTube CEO.
Oh, is it really?
That's what it says.
Oh, it's falling on my head. All right,
Okay.
you gonna take it out of there?
Yeah. I mean, do you want me to not touch it with my fingerprints?
This is kind of nice.
Touch the edges. That's why it's really pretty. Like it's like a mirror.
Yeah. I guess this is the new one. It's smaller and more elegant than the old ones. So there it is, silver play button, 100,000 subscribers. Here at Doing the Most, this is presented to Doing the Most for passing 100,000 subscribers.
How are we feeling about that name? Still good?
Doing the Most.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's still fine.
Still feels true. It feels a little dated to me. It's not a thing people say anymore.
It's a thing our people say now.
Sure.
You probably clicked on this video because in the title of this video, it mentioned a giveaway.
Oh,
I know, right? We're going to give away a gallon of honey. All you got to do, find the link in the description. You're going to fill that out, but you're also going to make a comment on this video.
okay.
When you fill out the form, the Google form that's linked in the description, put your YouTube username in that form so that way we know you actually commented on the video and we can track you down, and then we'll do a random drawing at some point and I'll email the winner.
Okay.
Gallon of honey.
Fill out the form. Comment on the video. Put your YouTube username in the form.
There'll be a space for it. Yeah.
There'll be a space for it.
Say congratulations or you suck or whatever.
Yeah. Who can say the funniest thing?
And yeah, we'll draw a random winner and you'll get an email, whoever you are, and we'll hook you up with a gallon of honey. Probably from our friends at Flying Bee Ranch,
Okay.
because they have some fun honey. All right. Thanks, YouTube. Until next time, happy brewing and cheers.
Homemade brews and various how-tos, everything from mead to roast, bake creation, fermentation, inebriation, doing the most.